Hi everyone, we are on unit number 7, measuring instruments. In this unit, we learn about the importance of measuring different things. We learn how to measure length, and for measuring weight, we use different types of weighing machines. We can also measure time, and there are different instruments to measure time. Temperature can also be measured, and we measure temperature with a thermometer. And we use different types of containers for measuring liquids. We have started its exercises done with question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Today we are going to do an activity, and it is very interesting activity. We will make a 2-pan balance using a ruler or a straight stick, some string and 2 paper cups of the same size. Use your pan balance to compare weights of small objects in the classroom like erasers, scissors, sharpeners, sweets, etc. So let's do it.
1, 2, 3, come on!
The things which are required for making a 2-pan balance are a hanger and 2 disposable cups. We don't need the covers of these cups, so we will remove them. Now with the help of a marker, we will mark 3 points on each cup. Now with the help of a needle, we will make a hole and put this string inside these holes. We will tie the end of the string so it can hang easily. Measure another string of the same size. Again, with the help of a needle, we will insert this string in the second hole. We will tie the ends of the strings properly. Now we will repeat the same thing with the third hole. We will insert with the help of a needle. We will tie the ends of the third string too. We will cut all the 3 strings equally, and first we will measure the length of these strings because we have to do the same procedure with the other cup. We are using measuring tape here to measure the length of these strings. Now tie a knot on the other sides of these strings together. And again measure the length of these strings after tying a knot. We have done the same process with the other cup, and our both cups are ready now. We will take the end of the strings and tie on the both sides of the hanger. We can also take ruler here or some plain sticks. Now we will measure the length of the hanger to cut the string of the same size. To hold this 2-pan balance, we will tie that string in the middle of the hanger and tie a knot on both sides of this string. Our balance is ready now. We can use our pan balance to compare the weights of small objects. I have put apples in one glass and some soap bars in the other glass. You can use any small objects around you. Make this pan balance at home and enjoy.